So I'm assuming you're looking at using the GTK library to create a desktop app of some kind, and you want to use CMake to build it. So I'm just going to do this first. So make sure you have CMake installed, and then also make sure that you have your GTK library installed. So I'm on Ubuntu, so it's a Debian derivative, so I'm going to install this. On Fedora you need to install it this way, and Arch this way, and then we can go back to our CMake file. So in our CMake file, you need to use this find package function in CMake. So what this will do is look for this package config module, and what this can do is this can look for GTK4. So we need to make sure this package config module is there first, and then we can go looking for GTK4. And then in here, this function basically calls the package config to check that GTK4 is installed. Once that's done, then we can include and link the directories. So these constants, I don't know where these come from, to be quite honest. These constants include directories. You include the GTK4 directories, link the library, so you link the library directories, and then you can add this compiler flags other as well. So this just adds extra compiler flags for the GTK setup, and then this is just me including my source files into this variable, and then adding it to the executable, basically creating it or generating the compile steps for this. And then finally you need to do this, you need to target link libraries, and what they'll do is they'll be linked, or they'll get linked into the output file, in my case main.io. and then if I do CMake, I have tasks to do this. So one of them is CMake build, and then I have to give it a build directory. So I'll just do inv clean inv build. This is just Python invoke, and then that's when I built that, checking for module, find the module, and then it's created the make file. And then if I do inv compile, that this is a task that just runs the make command, and it moves the output file into the top directory for me to use. So if I do inv compile, it has built the project and linked it okay, and then all I need to do is run it with main.o, and that's me in my wee terminal app that I've made. And that's basically how you compile GTK4 with CMake.